you're drooling on it.
No. Oh, no. Wait, no, what happened?
Now what happened? Huh. Did you push the wrong button?
There. Get in the screen. Get over this way so you're holding there. Now, look at your lips. Look at your lips. Okay, go over more.
That's funny.
No, sit up.
This.
Hey, take my picture now. Right.
Mama.
Where's the swirl? How do you make it swirl?
You gotta be closer to that.
Just that?
No, I guess not.
Where's the swirl? It moves. You're too close. Maybe it's because there's no light in here. Look at your lips. Oh, look at your hair. Oh, look at your head. Oops.
Your. No,
Put your
not
head.
that one.
Put your head. Whoa.
Okay, let's try this one.
You got a hot head. Blah, 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 blah.
Yeah,
Stick your tongue out. Why is your okay? Why is your tongue yellow? It should be like redder than red.
Because there's saliva on it to keep it cool.
Oh, see, you're so smart like that, Ed.
Oh yeah, that's the thermal one.
Yeah. Wait, I want to see some of your pictures.
No, that's it one.
Wait, I want to, is Oma's in here? There. No, wait. What's the one? This one. She looks like something out of Poltergeist.
I think that's the one called Squeeze.
Oh, look at this one. Wait, go back. Look at this one. Who's that?